First reading. A reading from the letter to the Hebrews, chapter 2, verses 5 to 12. It was not under angels that he put the world to come, about which we are speaking. Someone witnesses to this somewhere with the words, what are human beings that you spared a thought for them, a child of Adam that you care for him? For a short while you have made him less than the angels. You have crowned him with glory and honor, put all things under his feet, for in putting all things under him, he made no exceptions. At present, it is true, we are not able to see that all things are under him, but we do see Jesus, who was for a short while made less than the angels, not crowned with glory and honor, because he submitted to death, so that by God's grace his experience of death should benefit all humanity. It was fitting that God, for whom and through whom everything exists, should, in bringing many sons to glory, make perfect through suffering the leader of their salvation. This is the word of Lord. Thanks be to God. A reading from the Gospel according to Mark, chapter 1, verses 21 to 28. They went as far as Capernaum, and at once on the Sabbath he went into the synagogues and began to teach. And his teaching made a deep impression on them, because, unlike the scribes, he taught them with authority. And at once in the synagogues there was a man with an unclean spirit, and he shouted, what do you want with us, Jesus of Nazareth? Have you come to destroy us? I know who you are, the Holy One of God. But Jesus rebuked it, saying, be quiet, come out of him. And the unclean spirit threw the man into convulsions, and with a loud cry went out of him. The people were so astonished that they started asking one another what it all meant, saying, here is a teaching that is new, and with authority behind it. He gives orders even to unclean spirit, and they obey him. And his reputation at once spread everywhere through all the surrounding Galilean countryside.